Hi guys, and welcome back to GoFundHer's YouTube channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Kimoy. I'm one of the summer interns with GoFundHer in partnership with City Girls Big Dreams. We're going to go through a short step-by-step tutorial on how to create your GoFundHer profile page and start receiving funding. At GoFundHer, we believe the best way to support women and girls is through direct donation. And at GoFundHer, you can receive donation through a project page and now a profile page. So we're going to get right into that video for you guys and start creating your GoFundHer profile page today. So the first thing you want to do is head over to GoFundHer.com. If this is your first time on the GoFundHer website, you'll need to create an account, which will take you less than 5 minutes, I promise you. On the homepage, you'll see a headline that states collect money for yourself or raise money for anything you want, from a business, community, or even a personal project. You could create money for anything today at GoFundHer.com and become a member. The form will ask you for your first and last name, your email, and your password. Then you'll click the button all the way to the bottom of the page that says Join. Once you hit that button, you're officially a GoFundHer member. So welcome to the team. Now, all that's left for you to do is add in some simple information to your profile so people can start donating and sending you money today. At the top of the GoFundHer webpage, you'll see a tab that says My Profile in bold letters. From there, you'll see your personal GoFundHer profile page, where you can add a profile picture, your name, your social media usernames for your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or even your own personal web page. Then you add in a little information about yourself in the mini bio for donors or other GoFundHer members to view. You'll add in your routing and account number to start receiving funds from family members, friends, or even social media supporters today. Once you hit the update button to your profile page, it will be live. So click that button right now to update all your information. Once you've done that, you're all set. Great job. Now your GoFundHer profile page is live and ready for donations. I hope this video was very helpful and informative to all of you guys on how to create a GoFundHer profile page in a few short and easy steps. If you have any follow-up questions or need more information on how to start a GoFundHer account or create your profile page, feel free to contact us directly through email or DM us on any social media platforms. At GoFundHer, we have amazing customer service and we'll reach back out to you and help you get started today. Until next time, have a great day and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys.